cheetah is the fastest land animal, estimated to be capable of running at 80 to 128 km per hour. Kenya's Masai Mara has one of the highest cheetah densities in the world, but it's a landscape that is under increasing human pressure. It lives in grasslands and savannas of Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda and Somalia. The cheetah inhabits mainly the Serengeti ecosystem, including Masai Mara, and the Tsavo landscape. The cheetah lives in three main social groups: females and their cubs, male coalitions and solitary males. While females lead a nomadic life searching for prey in large home ranges, males are more sedentary and may instead establish much smaller territories in areas with plentiful prey and access to females. The cheetah is active mainly during the day, with peaks during dawn and dusk. It feeds on small to medium-sized prey, mostly weighing under 40 kg, and prefers medium-sized ungulates such as impala, springbok and Thomson's gazelles. The global cheetah population is continuing to decline with only about 7,000 individuals left in Africa. This is thought to be about half the population that existed 40 years ago. The decline has been caused by the loss and fragmentation of their natural habitats, a decline in their prey base, the illegal trade in wildlife as well as conflict with humans for space.